Hey guys, what's happening? How to check if your router firmware is outdated and updated. So first of all, open a browser and enter your router's IP. For example, my IP is 192.168.100.1. I'm gonna go to the website. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to enter the username and the password for my network or for my routers. Okay, and look for firmware or software section in the settings, and then you're going to be able to check for updates and download and install if there is an update. Okay, and after updating, you're going to restart your router manually. Okay, to apply the changes. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.